What's up, amateurs? How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Doing good? Yeah? Awesome. Awesome. So, we are going to be doing something different today. We're going to be making some porridge. Some cornmeal porridge. So, right now, I got some water on the stove boiling in hot. And I got my ingredients over here. My coconut milk, my condensed milks, and then I'm gonna try this dairy-free one too. See the brand. And then I use this. I like to taste the different like condensed milks because I feel like with the cornmeal, and I like to test different cornmeal too, just to see like the different textures of each one. This one I really like it because it's like real fine, like real like creamy, like it'll just melt on your tongue type thing. So this is the one I like to use. It's La Fe fine cornmeal. So right now I'm liking this one. I found this in Walmart. I'm liking this one. It's pretty good to me. To me, yummy. To me. I don't know about anything else, but to me, myself, it's good. It's good for me. I like it. So right now, I got the cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla boiling in the pot. Ready? Awesome. So good. So good. Minute. I'm gonna get some water and put it in. We're gonna start cooking in a minute. Yeah. It's boiling up pretty fast. We're gonna see. Boil. I like a lot of cinnamon and nutmeg in mine and vanilla. I like a lot of those flavors in here, so I add extra. Whenever I put my dash in, I add some extra. So right now, the water is just about ready. So we can get this cornmeal set up. We can get it ready. Once I finally open it, I forgot where the opening was. Water in this. I'll probably do like 3 cups of water. And what you want to do, you want to get you a fork, because when that cornmeal gets into that water, it's gonna start to sink to the bottom, and you want it to mix. So when you put it in here, it'll all come together. So right now, and you don't want cold water. Do not use cold water when you're doing this. Because when I use cold water, instantly it gets chunky. So I got, this is like room temperature water. So when it goes in here, it should be good. Even still, I can find a way to separate it and mash it up. Here we go. want to stir it and stir it and stir it. So that when you put it in, it's good. Be good. It should be A-okay. Stir and you stir and you stir. It's about to get real poppy. It's about to get real poppy, I'm telling you. Real poppy. One thing about Cornmeal, she's a popper. She pops. You're gonna see in a minute. She pops. Cornmeal for me it's like a hit or miss sometimes. Sometimes I be getting it like spot on, and sometimes I be missing it. It'd be like way over my head. But last time I made it, it was really good. It was lumpy though, it still tasted good, which I like the lumps. Sometimes I'm a weird person. I like lumps in my like a little bit. It's a little bit, not a lot. There's a little bit of lumps in my porridge. I think it adds to it sometimes. This is pretty quick. So cornmeal is usually, it could be like a breakfast type thing, but if you want to make it a breakfast type thing, you can make it a breakfast type thing. But normally, you can eat it any time of the day. You could have it for lunch, you could have it for dinner. It's filling. It's very filling. You can have it for dessert, you can have it cold, you can have it hot, you can have it lukewarm. It's still gonna taste good. Every time. It's still gonna taste good. Especially if you add the right ingredients, you will be fine. So, see this right now? This is smooth. It's like I see maybe like one little lump in there, but that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's good. Right now it's bubbling like crazy. So this is the point where you add some water, because you don't want it bubbling too much and getting too crazy, you know? You feel me? Because then it pops, and then pops hurt. They hurt. I'm telling you, they hurt. They do so badly. Gotta get some more water in that. And then we're gonna turn this down to like 5, so it can chill out. Cause then pops hurt, man. I'm telling you. You get a pop from cornmeal, it's one of the worst feelings. Cause it stings. It sits on you. It sits on you. So since this is so fine, it's not gonna take as long. So this you can really make in the mornings, like before you gotta go to work, and you can just make a big batch and then have it for the next couple days. Take it to work with you, have it for lunch, stuff like that. Like this is probably my favorite one. Cornmeal porridge is my favorite porridge. Out of the rice, the banana, and this, I mean the banana one, like the plantain one, is good. Not the green banana one. That's what I'm talking about. That one's good. I like that one. And then there's rice. I like the rice. Rice is pretty good. But cornmeal, it's something about cornmeal. And there's oatmeal. Oatmeal porridge is pretty good too. I like it. But there's something about cornmeal porridge that is just like, I could have it forever. Because right now, see, this is the kind of consistency that you want. Like a little pushback in your spoon. good. That's a good consistency. Because if you get it too watery, then when you add in your condensed milk and your coconut milk and your like evaporated milk, it's not gonna be good. It's gonna look crazy. So this right now, this is pretty good. Because I gotta add in milk. But right now, I'm gonna try it first. I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. If it's grainy or not. It's great. Yep. Perfect. Perfect! So now we're gonna add in the coconut milk. We're gonna get this thing cracking. And I got some evaporated milk too here. So we're gonna add that much. We're gonna stir it. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Don't she look good? Don't she look good? Ooh, man. Oh, I can't wait. Some evaporated milk to it now. Mm-hmm. First condensed milk. Do y'all see this? Look, look. Hey, all you people, look at this. Don't it look good? Don't it? Let me give y'all a little close up. This right here is crazy. I need y'all to see it up close. Up close and personal. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, I'm about to have some right now. All right, guys, I gotta go. It's been real. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'm gonna have some porridge. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love y'all. It's all love. I love y'all. It's all love. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.